Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how do you order checks on Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chase application. So if you're on your PC, you can go to the official website right here, chase.com, if you've not already. If you want to go ahead and open it up on your mobile phone, just download the application and open it up. So once you've done so, you're going to be greeted by the home page from where we can get started. Then first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have a Chase account, what you can do is create one directly from here so you can get started with enrolling. And if you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. Once you log into the mobile application, it's going to look like this. So this is Chase Mobile, from where we can access everything we need, such as the home page, payments, planning, and so on. And now we can get started ordering new checks. So how can we do so? Well, here we have the article showing us exactly that, ordering new checks online. So you have the option for personal accounts or for business accounts. They have different procedures, but basically you can go ahead and do so for a personal account this way. You're going to sign in and choose your check design as I have just showed you. So log into your account and then you can change the address that appears on your checks. So you can go to chase.com/update. This is the URL you want to open up to keep your information up to date. After that, you can take a look at the cost and any available discounts before you submit your order. So basically guys, once you want to go ahead and order your checks, you can do so directly in a branch, or you can use Chase Online Bill Pay. You have multiple options right here, so you go ahead and have the option to conveniently pay your checks and order new ones. So you have whichever option you prefer. If you want to go into the bank, if you want to use Zelle, and so on, all of that is going to be followable right here. So you want to find this article, log in like I just showed you, and you can get started with accessing your Chase Bank and ordering new checks. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.